So what is a user-defined function? A user-defined function in Python is a block of code which only runs when it is called. You can pass data known as parameters into a function. A function can return data as a result. So the syntax of user-defined function is this: def function name, and then we use the function symbol with colons. So how do we call a user defined function? Is define my function, my underscore function, and then inside the function, what do we want? We want this function to print hello from a function. So this would, and then we will call that function, and this will print us our result, desired result. And then we are going to make some simple programs using a user defined function. So to add two numbers, we give the function a name. This name can be anything. uh, we give this function a name, add two numbers, and inside of the arguments we put a, b. There are two numbers a, b. The sum of those numbers is a plus b, and here we give a is equal to 5, b is equal to 6. So this will give us a sum of 5 and 6. Similarly, we write a user defined function to find an odd numbers and even numbers using user defined function. So check even odd, I name this function as check even odd, and if number divided by 2 is equal to 0, print number is equal to even, else print number is equal to odd. Now we, inside our argument, we want to check that if 5 is odd, and we also want to check if 6 is even or what is it. So this will actually give us what 5 and 6 are they even or are they odd. So 5 is odd and 6 is even. So let's make another user defined function to find a number of words in a string. So we will call our user defined function, and we name that function count underscore word, and inside of that function we pass a string named string. So we split the strings and then return the length of words. Then we print the number of words is, and it will give us the number of words. So this function, what's the error? Name and count underscore words isn't defined. So count underscore words. So this is not count underscore words. This is count underscore word. So what is this? What does it say again? Is return length is not defined. Let me just check what the problem is. So the problem is that it is saying that the return length is not defined. So there is hopefully not a space, so we will give a space between return and length, and I think the problem has been solved. Let's see if it's solved. And yeah, it gives us the number of words is 7. So this was a basic we made some basic programs using user defined functions just to get an idea of how the functions work. Remember, you can pass in an argument, you can name the function any name you want, but when you will have to call that function, when you will have to call the name, you will have to write down that specific name. Like here the name was count underscore word, and I was writing count underscore words. So remember to not make such mistakes, as they could crash your code. And that's it for this video. Peace out.